Hello friends, I'm so excited to have you join me on this incredible journey. Today we're setting off to a land that's both ancient and vibrant, mysterious and welcoming. Get ready to experience a place that will surprise you at every turn. Have you ever dreamed of a place with shimmering blue domes that seem to touch the sky, lively markets bursting with color and energy, and some of the warmest, most welcoming people you'll ever meet? Welcome to Uzbekistan, a country that feels like a living storybook. This country in Central Asia was once the beating heart of the legendary Silk Road. Here, traders and travelers from all corners of the world gathered to share stories, exchange goods and bring new ideas. Imagine the scent of spices in the air, the sound of different languages, and the excitement of discovery. The history here is so rich, you can almost taste it in the air. Every stone, every street, every ancient building has a story to tell. As the sun sets over the old cities, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time, walking in the footsteps of adventurers and dreamers. I love traveling because it connects me to people, and in Uzbekistan, food is the ultimate connector. Sharing a meal here isn't just about eating, it's about friendship, tradition, and hospitality. The flavors are bold, the dishes are hearty, and every bite tells a story of the land and its people. Every meal is a celebration, cooked with love and enjoyed with laughter. Whether you're tasting plov for the first time or sipping hot tea with new friends, you'll feel right at home. The joy of sharing food brings everyone together, no matter where you're from. So, pack your bags and your appetite. We're about to explore a place that will fill your stomach and your soul. Don't forget your sense of adventure, because Uzbekistan is full of surprises waiting to be discovered around every corner. Uzbekistan is vibrant and full of life, where ancient cities meet modern cafes, and centuries-old traditions blend seamlessly with the energy of today. The streets are alive with music, laughter, and the aroma of delicious food. The mix of old and new makes it so special to explore. You'll find breathtaking architecture standing proudly beside bustling new shops, and every corner offers something unique to discover. So come with me, let's discover the magical cities, meet wonderful people, and share unforgettable meals. We'll wander through ancient streets, marvel at stunning mosaics, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Are you ready? Let's go. Our adventure in Uzbekistan is just beginning, and I promise it's going to be unforgettable. If there's one dish you absolutely must try in Uzbekistan, it's plov. This isn't just a meal, it's an experience, a tradition, and a celebration all in one. Plov is woven into the very fabric of Uzbek life, and tasting it is like tasting the soul of the country. Plov is more than a meal, it's a national treasure, a delicious rice pilaf made with tender lamb or beef, sweet carrots, golden onions, and hearty chickpeas, all slow-cooked together in a massive cast-iron kazan. The process is almost theatrical, with layers of ingredients added at just the right moment, and the aroma that fills the air is simply irresistible. Every grain of rice is packed with flavor, a little sweet from the carrots, a little savory from the meat, and completely wonderful thanks to the blend of spices and the slow cooking. The rice absorbs all the juices, creating a dish that's both comforting and deeply satisfying. Plov brings everyone together, whether it's a wedding, a holiday, or just a regular day. It's the centerpiece of celebrations, a dish that marks life's most important moments, and a reason for families and friends to gather around the table. In Tashkent, there's even a famous plov center where giant cauldrons simmer all day, feeding hundreds of hungry visitors. Watching the chefs expertly stir the bubbling rice and meat is a spectacle in itself, and the scale of the operation is truly impressive. Each region of Uzbekistan has its own twist on plov. In Samarkand, the ingredients are carefully layered, creating a beautiful mosaic of colors and flavors. In Bukhara, they add dried fruits like raisins or apricots, giving the dish a subtle sweetness that's unique to the area. Some versions include whole bulbs of garlic, which become soft and mellow as they cook, or even quail eggs for a special touch. Each family has its own recipe, passed down through generations, making every plate of plov a little different. But the most important ingredient in plov isn't something you can buy at the market, it's community. Plov is made for sharing, for bringing people together, and for creating memories around the table. When you're invited to eat plov, you're not just a guest, you're welcomed into the heart of the home. It's a gesture of hospitality and warmth, a way of saying, you belong here. You sit around a low table, eat from a common platter and share stories, laughter, and sometimes even a few secrets. The act of eating plov together is as important as the dish itself. Plov is a symbol of friendship, generosity, and the Uzbek spirit of togetherness. It's a dish that turns strangers into friends and friends into family. Every bite is a delicious history lesson, connecting you to centuries of tradition and the stories of the people who have made and shared plov before you. And yes, it's absolutely delicious, rich, hearty, and unforgettable. It's the kind of meal you'll dream about long after you've left Uzbekistan. So don't leave Uzbekistan without tasting plov. It's more than food, it's an invitation to experience the heart and soul of this incredible country. Plov may be king, reigning at the heart of every Uzbek celebration, but it's just the beginning of a culinary adventure that stretches far beyond a single dish. This iconic rice pilaf, rich with tender lamb, carrots, and fragrant spices, is a symbol of hospitality and tradition, often prepared in massive cauldrons for weddings and gatherings. Yet, the Uzbek table is a true feast of flavors, colors, and aromas. Each meal is a vibrant tapestry, where every dish has its own story and place, inviting you to taste the country's rich history and diverse influences. Bread, or naan, is sacred, round, beautiful, and baked in a clay tandoor oven, crispy outside and soft inside. No meal is complete without it. Naan is often decorated with intricate patterns and shared among family and friends, symbolizing unity and abundance. Kebabs, or shashlik, are marinated meats grilled over coals, served with onions and herbs, simple, smoky, and satisfying. The aroma of sizzling shashlik fills the air at bazaars and street corners, drawing people together for a quick bite or a leisurely meal. Manti are big, juicy dumplings filled with spiced meat and onions, bursting with savory broth. Steamed to perfection, they're often enjoyed with a dollop of sour cream and a sprinkle of fresh dill, making every bite a comforting delight. Samsa are flaky pastries stuffed with meat or pumpkin, perfect for a quick snack. Baked in clay ovens until golden and crisp, samsa are a favorite street food. They're warm, savory filling wrapped in layers of delicate pastry. Soups like lagman with hand-pulled noodles and rich broth are hearty and comforting. Each bowl is a blend of tender beef, fresh vegetables, and aromatic spices, offering warmth and nourishment, especially on chilly evenings. Achichuk salad, just tomatoes, onions, and herbs, is fresh and crisp, the perfect side. Its simplicity highlights the quality of local produce, adding a refreshing contrast to the rich main dishes. Every meal is made with care and meant to be shared. Gathering around the table is a cherished tradition, where laughter and stories flow as freely as the tea, and every guest is treated like family. The food is diverse, fresh, and always delicious. From the bustling markets to the family kitchens, every dish is crafted with pride, using time-honored recipes and the freshest ingredients. Eating in Uzbekistan is a true feast for all the senses. The sights, sounds, and smells of the market, the warmth of a home-cooked meal, and the joy of sharing food create memories that linger long after the last bite. You'll never go hungry here. Whether you're sampling street food or sitting down to a lavish spread, there's always something new and delicious to discover. Every bite tells a story of heritage, of family, of celebration, so come hungry and let Uzbekistan's feast of flavors welcome you with open arms. If I had to sum up Uzbekistan in one word, it's welcoming. Hospitality here is legendary. Guests are honored above all. From the moment you arrive, you're treated like family. In an Uzbek home, you'll be offered endless plates of food, fresh fruits and sweets. Your teacup is always refilled, a sign they want you to stay longer. The tea ceremony is a ritual of respect and connection. Even outside the home you feel the warmth. Vendors offer tastes, strangers help with directions. People are genuinely curious and eager to share their culture. The kindness you experience here is unforgettable. It's the people who make Uzbekistan truly special. Their generosity is the country's greatest treasure. You'll leave with new friends and a second family. That's the real magic of Uzbekistan. Imagine a city from Arabian Nights. That's Samarkand. The heart of the city is Registan Square, surrounded by 3 stunning madrasas covered in blue and gold tiles. The scale and beauty are breathtaking. Standing here you can almost hear the echoes of Silk Road caravans and ancient scholars. Every arch and dome is a masterpiece of Islamic art. Samarkand is alive, a living city, not a museum. Explore Shah-e-Zinda, a street of vibrant mausoleums, and Gur-e-Amir, Timur's majestic tomb. Families picnic among ancient monuments, children play soccer in the shadow of history. The city's soul is its blend of past and present. History isn't just in books, it's all around you here. Visiting Samarkand is stepping into a living story. It's a place that makes you believe in magic. And you get to be part of that story, even if just for a while. If Samarkand is the king, Bukhara is the wise storyteller. The old city feels like stepping back in time, mud brick buildings, winding alleys, hidden courtyards. The Liabi House Plaza, shaded by ancient mulberry trees, is the city's social heart. Sip green tea at a tea house, watch locals play chess and soak in the atmosphere. The Kalyan minaret towers over the city, a symbol of resilience for nearly 900 years. At night, the mosque and madrasa glow with magic. Bukhara feels authentic, not built for tourists. Artisans still practice ancient crafts, metalwork, embroidery, miniature painting. The city invites you to wander, explore, and connect with its deep history. It's a living storybook you can walk right into. Every corner reveals a new secret. Bukhara's soul is unforgettable. The bazaars of Uzbekistan are the heartbeat of the city. They're a feast for the senses, mountains of colorful spices, pyramids of fresh fruits, and the aroma of baking bread. The sounds are lively, vendors calling out, haggling, blacksmiths hammering, children laughing. The smells, spices, herbs, grilling kebabs, are unforgettable. Bazaars aren't just for food. You'll find handmade crafts, silk scarves, carved boxes, and embroidered Suzani textiles. Meeting artisans and hearing their stories makes every souvenir special. People watching here is a joy. Friends meet, families shop, neighbors catch up. The bazaar is the living center of the community. It's a place of connection and tradition. Generosity and community spirit are everywhere. For a traveler, it's the best show in town. If you want to understand Uzbekistan, start at the bazaar. It's where the culture comes alive. Uzbek culture shines in its music, dance, and traditional clothing. The music, played on instruments like the dutar and duira, is soulful and full of stories. It can be joyful or deeply moving, the soundtrack of the Uzbek spirit. Dance is expressive and graceful, with each region having its own style. Dancers in vibrant costumes use every gesture to tell a story. Watching a performance is mesmerizing, a true celebration of life and pride. Traditional dress is stunning. Silk atlas and adras fabrics in bright ikat-dyed patterns. Women wear colorful dresses and scarves, men don striped chapan coats and dapi hats. These clothes are worn daily, not just for special occasions. Culture here is alive, in homes, celebrations, and everyday life. Uzbekistan is proud of its traditions and looks forward to the future. It's a joy to witness and be part of. So, why visit Uzbekistan? Because it will change you. The sights, Samarkand and Bukhara's blue-tiled wonders, are unforgettable. The food is a delicious adventure, plov, shashlik, and fresh naan bread. But it's more than just eating, it's about sharing and connecting. Meals here make you part of a family. The people's warmth and hospitality are unmatched. You'll be welcomed with open arms and open hearts. The real treasure is the human connection you'll find. Uzbekistan is safe, affordable, and full of hidden gems. You'll return with beautiful memories, new friends, and a full heart. The world is big and beautiful. Let's explore it together. Come on.